welcome to part 1 of the homemade electric go-kart. So far this is what I've built. Didn't record it unfortunately, but I've made some good progress. So it's mostly aluminium, partly stainless steel. This axle is stainless steel, and the front axle and steering system will be steel, but mostly aluminium. So we've got this huge aluminium panel here, supported by these 4 tubes of aluminium, which lead down to these ball bearings to connect it to the axle. So it's going to be 3 wheels. Only going to have 3 wheels just to make the steering system more simple and have less tractive force, which makes it a bit more efficient. I've got a little reflector light here. I've got this wheel. This wheel's just not actually properly connected to the axle, so the axle can spin and the wheel won't. That just gives it some differential so it can corner a lot easier. So we've got the ball bearing here and here. I've got my brake here. This disc isn't yet connected, but will be in a similar form to how I've connected the main sprocket here. This wheel isn't on at all yet. I'm gonna connect this one and one only to the axle using this. So now to the power system. We have 2 12 amp hour batteries, both 12 volts, and a 12 volt DC motor here, and a 500 watt ESC, though the motor only needs 250 watts. We've got the accelerator on the handlebar up here with a battery voltage monitor and a starter key. We've got the brake, which will be connected to the brake disc back there, and just another handle and stuff. Yeah, so that's pretty much what I've done so far, and now to a build montage. So that concludes part 1 of the go-kart.